Hey, how's everything going? Are you guys cooking? Hey, I'm thinking about some pepper rings, chicken pepper rings. I'll show you how to make them. It's gonna be good. Get your little, dice up your tomatoes, some green onion, get your parsley and your peppers ready, and about 4 tablespoons of flour, and some liquid minced garlic. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So we'll dice up this chicken. We'll cut it up in little squares. We'll slice it long ways. Just cut you up a chicken breast. I'm gonna cut it up real thin because we're gonna put it in a bowl and mix it all up. A little, you know, they'll cook fast. Chicken breast cooks fast, so this would be pretty good. Just put it in a bowl. Just keep slicing it thin. Just start at the end and just start cutting it up, dicing it. All right, got my chicken chopped up, diced up real good. I'm gonna add this some seasoning. I put it in here. It's called High Flying Chicken. That's the secret. Just put it in here. Called High Flying Chicken. It's a good seasoning. And we're gonna mix it all up now. And what you wanna do, get your diced tomatoes, chopped green onions, that liquid minced garlic, just a tablespoon, a little more, mozzarella cheese, 2 cups. Just put it all in there. About 3½ tablespoons of flour, wheat flour. Put it in there. Yeah, sprinkle some parsley all in there. Look. We'll do some later. Little oregano for flavor. Some more seasoning. Almost a teaspoonful. Got green onions in there. I like these freeze-dried chives. It's new and I have to open it. Sprinkle some freeze-dried chives. Looks like a lot. Our egg here. There 1. 2 eggs. Now. All right. Let's mix it all up real good. And just keep mixing. Get everything mixed well. It's gonna be pretty good. Okay, we're gonna cut the rings sort of like that. We're gonna peel them out later. Save that. All right. We can do green. Okay, wash them off and get the seeds out of them. You know, look pretty good. Yeah, little ones. All right, you need to get some orange peppers too, but I didn't see any, so I just grabbed these. Okay, and the next step will be to get you a frying pan, some olive oil. We'll start cooking. Ring. Yep. Put the rings in. And the flour. All right. Grease. Now, take some. And put this right in there. Stuff it down in there, pat it down. Cook them until they're golden brown. And they'll look good. Real good. I smell them already. Smell them pretty good. Just cook these until they're golden brown. Now, put you up. Oh, I forgot the salt and pepper, huh? Salt. One on one side, a little pepper. All right. They smell good. I think they'll be good. Not bad. Flip them over. Get a little browner. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good, huh? Let them get nice and brown, they'll flip easy. There we go. Oh yeah, that one's getting done. And we're just about done. Make them nice and brown. Don't forget to salt and pepper them. Oh, they're really good. You gotta try it. It's got good flavor. All right, here's a real taste test. Patty, taste test it. Whoop.
It's really good.
Pretty good. Good flavor with them peppers. Make it real good. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make your cheddar broccoli. All right, have a good one, and we'll think of something else.